Welcome back again to Tech-Owned Solutions. Christmas is coming, let's make our home more colorful, with some extraordinary light setup. In this video I like to explain about the simplest setup of a pixel chain, and you don't really need the programming skills or you really don't want to know the electronics basic. Simply, just plug and play. I know you are going to love this project, so if you are not subscribed this channel yet, please do it now, and ring the bell button. Here I am using a 50 pixel LED chain that you can buy from any electronic shop, and a 5V smps, and also the cheapest pixel control unit. Before connecting everything together, I like to give you the basics of pxell. Actually, the pxell itself is a RGB LED with a control chip that communicating with the controller. It's either inside the LED or outside, just like this. In this way we can individually control any number of LED with using only 3 wire. Now let's connect everything together. In the pxell LED chain, there is a connector in the both ends. One is male and another is female. The male connector is for the pxell controller, and the female is for extending the pxell. In this way you can connect any number of pxell in this control. Now there is a red and black wire coming from the controller. This will be the 5V supply line. Remember, when connecting multiple pxell strip or chain together, add an extra wire to power supply. Else, there may be a voltage drop between the strips or chain. That may affect the brightness of last LED strip. We are connected everything together, now let's plug and play. This controller have a mode change button. You can select any mode by clicking on this. I hope you like this project. If you did, please like and share it. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. I am happy to answer it. Thank you for watching.